Founded in 1987, TSMC helped revolutionize the semiconductor industry and has been driving technological progress ever since. Today, TSMC's chips power more than 12,000 products, from smartphones and electric vehicles to AI systems and aerospace technologies, fueling innovation worldwide. With manufacturing sites across Asia, Europe, and North America, TSMC empowers over 500 companies to bring new ideas to life. In 2020, TSMC chose Phoenix, Arizona, for its first advanced United States semiconductor manufacturing site, a milestone investment that has expanded from $12 billion to $165 billion, representing the largest foreign direct investment in a greenfield project in American history. TSMC Arizona represents a massive $165 billion investment in North Phoenix, constructing a cluster to onshore semiconductor manufacturing. The project consists of 6 semiconductor wafer fabs, 2 advanced packaging facilities, and a research and development center, creating thousands of high-tech and construction jobs. Current fab status and timelines. The TSMC Arizona site is rapidly scaling up to meet global demand for AI and high-performance computing. Factory 1 began mass production in late 2024 using 4-nanometer process technology. Yields have successfully met or exceeded those of their Taiwan facilities. Factory 2, construction of the structure concluded in 2025, with plans to utilize 3-nanometer and 2-nanometer processes. Factory 3 and beyond broke ground in early 2025, slated to be equipped with 2-nanometer and S16 process nodes. Global capacity, when all 3 fabs are fully operational by 2030. The Arizona site is expected to produce about 1.2 million wafers annually. TSMC relies heavily on stateside support and strategic partnerships. TSMC Arizona was awarded up to $6.6 billion indirect funding from the American Department of Commerce to support these leading-edge facilities. TSMC has locked in domestic advanced packaging ND testing services through a massive partnership with Amkor's $7 billion facility in Peoria, Arizona. The semiconductor industry rivalry between the United States and China is both a technological and geopolitical struggle. The United States leads in chip design. It holds significant intellectual property rights and a market share approaching half of the global market. Meanwhile, China is investing heavily to achieve self-sufficiency and to build an independent technological ecosystem. Where do you think this rivalry between them will lead? Share your opinion in the comments.